Hello YouTube and welcome. For some time now, my colleagues and I have been struggling to organize our tools, and believe me, we have lots of them. Couple of weeks ago, when I saw this Parkside Performance Perforated panel set, or should I say Parkside Performance Pegboard, I knew it's our solution. The panel set is entirely made of metal. It consists of two pieces, each meter by half. Something interesting to mention, the panel set is produced in Slovakia. You can see the logo here, made in European Union. It seems that producing and shipping such heavy parts from China is too expensive for Parkside. To turn your perforated panel set into a real-life pegboard, you need some panel accessories. Unfortunately, you have to purchase them separately. And while looking at some product photos online, I've decided to buy two sets of perforated panel accessories, just to be sure there will be enough hooks for all of our instruments. By the way, the panel accessories are made in China. Really sad, I was hoping the whole product is made in Slovakia. Let's start unboxing. First, the panel accessories. Some plastic clips. Everything is bubble wrapped. Really nice. All the accessories, 15 of them. We have a spanner organizer, 4 tool clamps, 6 double hooks, 1 shelf, 1 screwdriver rack, and 2 bottle or can holders. If you ask me, those are completely useless, but we'll test them later. All of them are painted black, and if I'm not terribly wrong, this is regular paint. It's not powder coated, and it's a real nightmare. With time, this will get badly scratched. It should have been at least zinc plated or protected by some rubberized elements. Let's continue with the big boy. Probably I should tell you that there was a second box on top of this, so if you order it, the chance to get it damaged is really low. Parkside claims that the panel set is powder coated, and looking at it, I can definitely say it is. In the set you'll find 8 of these, specially designed for mounting the perforated panels on the side of a rack. And if you're planning to install the panels on a wall, you have plenty of mounting points. The installation is super easy, especially if you're doing it on a drywall. You need 4 drywall anchors. Everything looks so neat when the tools are well organized. But definitely you need a second set of accessories with 1 set of perforated panels. Probably it's not a bad idea for Parkside to think for a bigger variety of accessories, as some tools are really hard to place on the current provided. By the way, you can use the screwdriver rack as a rack for pliers also. And I take my previous words back. It turned out that the can holders can be quite handy. According to Parkside, the pegboard can withstand a load of 25 kilos, which I think is more than enough. Combine that with a price no other brand on the market can beat, and you have one killer product. And lastly, only time will show how durable the paintwork is, but I really hope that in the second generation we see a zinc plated accessories instead.